Čau, draugi, es esmu Popija Playtime Chapter 4. Labi, darām to. O, tieši Doid Dogman. Yeah.
Call the number on screen and order your Joey today. Order now while supplies last. Shipping and handling costs may vary. Do not ingest or deliver any products in the video box.
What's the time?
This one! I don't open this one! I knew it! This is the one I wanted!
There's a card too, dear. Open the card.
We're going to the Playtime Factory?
That's right, honey. Jack, don't wander off. Stay right here with them. He's not listening to a thing I say, is he?
Not even a little bit.
Everyone, shut down the machine! Do you hear me? Somebody shut off that camera!
Interessanti. Chapter 4. Safe Haven. Turpina tas stāsts.
No!
Yeah.
Hold on, Kissy! I'm coming! Listen, go on ahead. Don't wait for me. I won't leave Kissy behind, and I won't sacrifice our plan. Not because of me. Just be careful. Down here, it's not like anything you've seen above. It's not trying to hide what it is. It's hell. And Playtime wanted it to be. But we have allies down here. Get to them. There's still time to save the
Labi.
Follow the red smoke. And look out.
Man patīk šī atmosfēra vienkārši. Un, draugi, šī ir citādāka atmosfēra, jo daudzi mobi ar tiem darbinieki aizgāja, tādēļ tur nav tik tāda realistiskā, atmosfēra kā Popija Playtime. Draugi, arī tā, skenēšana, kaut kas jauns. Protams, tā skenēšana atgriezusies laikam, bet citādāk. Protams, tas līdzīgi. Protams, kā chapter 1 un chapter 2, chapter 3 nebija tas vispār. Tagad tas ir atgriezies. Tur arī daudz zīmītes, tas ir forši. Kā tas ir, tas ir labāks piedzīvojums, ja tur ir vairāk lietiņas vai dabūt. Un lielāks stāsts. Vai bīdīšu kasti? Kisi misi! Un tas arī jaunums, jo var squeeze. Teips, labi, es paskatīšos. Kur jaunu roku šoreiz rādīs? Flare hand. Kāpēc rāda to? Es jau zinu, kā darboties ar to. Protams, ja to zinu. Nu jā. Nešauju, ko nevajag, protams. Citādi es uzprāšu. Protams, rezultāti var būt, petlīgi. Labs apsolu to lietot ļoti droši. What's the time? Playtime! O, draugo, Flarehand var sadedzināt stričus, to nezināju. Tas ir forši. Man labi, man ieteikt iekšā cietumā. Lūdzu, neuzbruciet man. Kas notiek? Tagad brom, jūs mazie kvēki. Tinieties, netraucējiet man. Labi, tagad man jāatrod ceļš iekšā cietumā. Tas nebija grūti. Un, draugi, šie 4 būs ļoti reti jāizmanto Purple Hand. Labi, saglabāju.
Hey, it's me again, Ollie. I wanted to talk to you. Before you go inside, I mean. Everything you've seen out here, the piles, the dead, they all came from inside. Believe me, everything Poppy said about this place is true. It's hell. But she also hasn't seen it like I have. It's worse now. Worse than ever. Just try to stay safe. Please. Don't let your guard down for even a second. I'll try to help you when I can.
Labi, tagad var iet augšā. Tā. Un tā. Re, kur ir draugi. Un tagad, re, kur ir atslēga. Un tagad dosimies tam durvīm, kur vajag atslēgu izmantot. Te. Draugi, izrādās, ka vajag atkal to puzli darīt, ko mēs ļoti rēti izmantojam.
Hey, Cole. Hey, Norm. 2 o'clock, huh? Best time of the day. Yeah. So, what block are you again?
North.
Can't say I hear much about that one.
You wouldn't.
High security?
Highest security.
Cushy. No, we get in the east. Toys banging on the walls, crying for their parents, their counselors, whatever. It goes all day and night, and it just wears on you, you know? I'd kill for a little security. And quiet.
Right. Right. Know what we get in the North? Things. Whatever they aren't people anymore. Their cells might as well be cages. They are animals. Sick. Twisted. Just instincts and anger. That's all that's left of them.
Sure, but at least then it's not like yelling at your own kids for them to be quiet, though, you know? I mean, if you had to listen to them... Oh, great.
So much for our 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we really do have it rough, don't we?
Interesanti. Labi, tik darām to puzli. Labi, tik pēdējais un draugi tagad jāuzspiež tā vienā vietiņa, un tad viss ir. Labi, draugi, aiz tām kastēm ir tā poga. Easy. Labi, draugi, tagad darbojas tas vilciens, lai man ieiekāp iekšā. Kas? Pagā. Kas tas ir? Doktors!
What's this? Do I feel something squirming its way beneath my skin? An invasive foreign little germ. After all this time? Ah, but I see. You. Well, little germ, let's make a game of you.
Kāpēc vilciens krāpjas tik ļoti?
Blundered along the shadows above, and only managed to squirm all the way down here, but by the barest skin of your teeth. There are no shadows here that will be of use to you. Not even the ground beneath your feet is yours. There are no places you can hide. Not from
Sen tad dzirdzās kaut kur? Tu esi jūcis. Jā, tik tiešām, draugi, ietriecāmies. Es tikko pamanīju, var tur augšā doties. Labi, draugi, jāaktivizē no tāluma, lai atver šīs vilciena durvis. Tādi mēs varam iet ārā. Pagis redzēt, tikko smalink rideris. Labi, jāsties durvis. Labi, tā šīs durvis aizvērt, un tad atvesam šitās durvis. Otrs man ir kriteris, labi, es viņus aizbiedēju. Labi, tas ir jāatver. Tas arī ir, draugi, jaunums, protams, ko noņem tos tēļus. Šis ir slēgts. Draugi, es zinu, ka to atvērt. Rekur, draugi, šito var atvērt. Un rekur ir atvērts. Draugi, sarkanā roka, to ilgi nerādīja. Draugi, tagad var izmantot gaismu. Labi. Tagad tāda opcija pieejama.
Subject scrambles for an advantage.
Tu doktor.
They appear lost and disoriented. Heavy breathing is indicative of fear. And rightly so. Let's test the response to said fear when pushed into action.
Wow, es nezinu. Daudz zinu, tas vismā labi, ka viņi to uztaisīja šitā šoreiz, kad noņem asins un uzliek vienkārši, un tad nomirst. Tas ir kā dzīves. Tas ir labāk, jo nekā viens citiens. Un tas ir gudri. Ne, jūs nevarat man nogalāt. Nē, daudz smuli Pīters. Šis draugi paliek trakāk.
I have seen enough.
Beidzot.
You may proceed.
Labi, tagad var izmantot sarkano roku. Yarnaby cut out.
Name's Yarnaby. Would you wanna be my friend?
Yeah.
Press the button to brush my mane. Brush,
Double.
brushy, brushy. Wow, aren't I glad to have a friend like you? Get it? Because I'm made of yarn? Yeah, you get it. Without someone like you to love, why, I think I'd just come apart at the seams.
Dziesma pirmo reizi. Tieši kā karauti dziesma, tas ir forši. Labi, tā man iedabūt tas kods. Draugi, sapratu. Labi, beidzot ir. Re, kur draugi durvis atvērās. Labi, draugi, tad spēlēs krāmniekas nākamajā video Hobby Playtime Chapter 4.